Yo, what's up, guys? Jake here, and today we're talking grooming tech. And not just any grooming tool. We're talking about a precision beast that's built for professionals, but sleek enough for your bathroom counter. This is the Craft Cordless Clipper Trimmer. Let's get into it. This is a pro-level grooming tool packed into a sleek, cordless design. It's got power, brains, and battery life that'll make most clippers feel like they're stuck in 2012. So let's start with the tech under the hood. This thing is powered by what they call a vector motor, pushing out up to 11,500 RPM. And yeah, that number matters. It means clean, snag-free cuts whether you're trimming a thick beard or going in for a tight lineup. Now here's where it gets really smart. Intuitive torque control. This system senses the density of your hair and automatically adjusts power output. No stuttering, no dragging, just smooth, consistent performance. The blades? Carbon DLC X Pro wide blades. That's diamond-like carbon for the nerds out there, which means long-lasting sharpness, low friction, and precision cuts every single time. Battery life? You're getting over 4 hours of runtime on a single charge. And it charges fast via USB-C because it's 2025 and everything should charge via USB-C. The ergonomics are on point. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and built for those long sessions, whether you're cutting 5 heads back-to-back or just lining up before night out. It's perfect for precision detailing, beard shaping, crisp lineups, and tight fades. And because of that torque control and wide blade design, the result is always clean and sharp. And here's the thing, it's built to last. With top-tier materials and smart power distribution, you get more blade life, more motor life, and less wear overall. Quick recap, why this matters. 11,500 RPM vector motor. Smart torque control. Carbon DLC wide blades. 4+ hours battery life with USB-C. Lightweight, ergonomic, professional-grade design. Perfect for barbers or at-home grooming pros. Look, if you're still using the same clipper you bought 5 years ago, it's time for an upgrade. The Craft Cordless Clipper Trimmer isn't just a grooming tool. It's a smart grooming machine, and it earns its spot in any professional setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next drop. This is Tech Jake, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay sharp.